Hey everyone, in this video, we will show you how to add Paramount Plus to DirecTV Stream. First, open your web browser and go to the Paramount Plus account linking page. Once the page loads, sign in using your DirecTV Stream or Uverse user ID and password. After signing in, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your subscription and begin the linking process. Next, create a login for the Paramount Plus app by entering your email address and choosing a password. If you already have a Paramount Plus account, you can either register with a different email address for immediate access or wait until your current subscription expires before linking the same email address. Once the accounts are successfully linked, your Paramount Plus with Showtime access will be activated at no additional charge through your eligible DirecTV subscription. Now open the Paramount Plus app or visit the Paramount Plus website. Sign in using the account you just created or linked. After logging in, you'll be able to stream available Paramount Plus with Showtime content on your supported devices. If you run into any issues, make sure your DirecTV package includes the eligible Paramount Plus with Showtime benefit and try signing in again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.